So guys, the parent word that we discuss in every series, that is quite simple. Like the word for today is hate. But what you will see in the exam are synonyms and antonyms of this word, which are of the level of the GRE, and those are words which you would not have heard in your lifetime, or some of the words you would be encountering for the first time. So we all know that what do we mean by hate? When we hate somebody, we intensely dislike them. Okay, so hate means a very strong dislike for something or somebody. Now you will not encounter, or you may encounter hate in the exam, but the meaning of hate is pretty clear. But some of the words which also mean hate but are newer to you are words like abhor, animosity, antipathy, aversion, despicable, detest, despicable me, a very famous animation movie. So despicable, detest, loathe, odious, repel. I am repelled by you. I do not like you, or I hate you to an extent that I want to go far, far away from you. Repugnant, repulsion. All of these words mean hate. But on the other hand, what would be the opposite of hate? The opposite of hate would be love or liking for somebody. Or you can also say a positive feeling towards somebody. So what are some of the antonyms for hate? We have love, treasure, reverence. Reverence means respect. Fondness, endearment, adoration, proclivity, idealize. To think of somebody as your ideal means you love them, you respect them. So these are some of the antonyms of the word for this week, that is hate.